Why smart people struggle to build wealth. Ronald Read was a janitor who swept floors and pumped gas. When he died, he had $8 million in the bank. At the same time, Ivy League graduates with 140 IQs were filing for bankruptcy. If wealth were about intelligence, that wouldn't be possible. So what if your intelligence? Is this actually the problem? Ronald Read lived in a small house in Vermont. He drove a used car. When he passed away in 2014, his neighbors were stunned to learn he had quietly built an $8 million fortune. He didn't inherit it. He didn't win the lottery. He simply bought blue-chip stocks and held them for decades. No hedge funds, no complex strategies, no genius IQ. Here's the twist. Once you reach a comfortable income, research shows IQ stops predicting wealth. Many people in the top 1% aren't the smartest in the room. They just avoided 3 psychological traps that highly intelligent people fall into it every day. By the end of this video, you'll see how your own brain might be sabotaging your bank account. Trap number 1, the prestige prison. Smart people are conditioned early to chase academic validation. That path leads straight into what I call the prestige prison. Doctors, lawyers, engineers, executives. These careers pay well, but they trade time for money. No matter how high your IQ is, you cannot scale 24 hours. Wealth is built on ownership. Ownership scales. Businesses scale. Investments scale. The highest earners aren't always the most educated. They're the ones who own assets. But if you're earning $250,000 a year, you feel secure. You feel validated. Your intelligence anchors you to safety. You optimize for promotions instead of equity. And over 30 years, that safe decision can cost you millions in compounding. Trap number 2, the optimization paradox. If you're used to being the smartest person in the room, you assume you can outthink the system. So you chase complex strategies. You try to time crashes. You diversify before mastering one asset. Smart people hate simple because simple feels beneath them. But wealth creation is aggressively boring. Ronald Read bought dividend-paying companies and waited. That's it. Highly intelligent people suffer from analysis paralysis. They calculate every risk until they calculate themselves into inaction. Meanwhile, someone less analytical, I just started. They invest monthly, build a small business, make mistakes, adjust. Imperfect action compounds. Overthinking does not. Trap number 3, the social signaling tax. This is the silent killer. As smart professionals earn more, they feel pressure to upgrade their lifestyle to match their status. The house in the elite zip code, the luxury SUV, expensive vacations. This is lifestyle creep. Income rises but net worth stays fragile. They're playing the income game, which is about consumption. The wealthy play the wealth game, which is about what you keep and multiply. Money is a seed. You can eat it today or plant it for a forest tomorrow. Smart people often assume they can always earn more seeds later, so they consume faster than they invest. Over time, that impatience destroys compounding. Here's the truth no one tells you at graduation. Wealth does not reward intelligence. It rewards behavior, discipline, emotional control, consistency. Ronald Read didn't beat Wall Street analysts because he was smarter. He won because he didn't interrupt compounding. Most smart people can't resist trying to optimize, upgrade, or outthink the process. If you're intelligent, that's a massive advantage, but only if you pair it with humility and patience. Stop trying to be clever with your money. Start being consistent. Wealth isn't an IQ test. It's a behavior test.